getting reports of people that chose to stay, and they're getting calls into the local first responders to come in and assist them. And if anybody needs assistance, they should. They should call 911, and those local first responders will come in and help. As far as the entire footprint of those resources that are available, it's a combined effort recognizing the capability that the state already has with all of their resources, and we have additional resources that are integrated in with that operation. So if we need to immediately augment, we have resources that are ready to deploy as soon as requested without hesitation and without interruption.
So yet how many people may be stranded?
I don't have a number on how many, no.
From the initial assessment, what would you say are the most damaged areas, and what was the response from the population in those areas to the government's approach?
I would say that initial reports are in that Big Bend area that have had the greatest impact. They have experienced the greatest amount of storm surge. They experienced the greatest wind speeds. And so when we do get out to start assessments, that would be my anticipation of where we would experience the greatest amount of damage and impact across Florida.
Who will respond in those areas?
Again, I think many people did heed the warnings, and there was a lot of public messaging that went out there to let people understand that the danger is not just the cone of the hurricane, but it's the storm surge and the water, which is creating and causing the most fatalities in these events. But again, many people did not, as we are hearing about our first responders going in to support rescuing people from their homes that are now stranded.
Morning, Xenoverse mod creators. This fusion, well, I'm drawing this for some reason, and it's that I've been planning to draw this fusion for quite a while after I get a right blueprint for it. You see, the name of this Xenoverse 2 mod is named Omega Janembuu. This guy is a fusion of Janemba, Kid Buu, and Omega Shenron. The reason why I'm drawing this is that, well, the one who created this, UNREALENTGAMING, has yet to create a story manga based on this character. And from what I've been told, there's going to be a sequel on the top 5 strongest and Murno coming together to see what would happen if those guys were to go head to head. And I've also been told that there's going to be a story on Omni-God Zamasu. Remember I drew that guy? Yeah, I did draw him. Those were the good old days. Anyway, here's an idea for UNREALENTGAMING. What if they... Okay, here are the spikes on his back. What if Murno accidentally punches through the fabric of reality and summons an army of fusions that never thought were possible? Omega Janembuu would be one of them. Omni-God Zamasu would be the next one. And, let's see, what else would happen? What else would happen? Oh yeah, he would have this Xenoverse army by his side. I think for some reason there should be a fusion of both Broly and Moro. That'd be something, huh?
All right, there's a FEMA administrator being Chris Wall with an update on the federal response to Hurricane Idalia as it continues to churn across now the southern part.
Now here is Omega Janemboo's arms.
What is going on in the local area? We're joined right now by Hayden Hancock. He is the city manager of the town of Nashville,
Here are the horns sticking out of his back.
which is just north of Valdosta. Hayden, good mutual friend. Ed Baldry from Chaparral Boats put us together, so it's nice to make your acquaintance. The worst part of the storm literally just went over you. What's the situation on the ground there?
Here's his tail sticking out of his back.
Also for having me on this afternoon. Thankfully, it looks like we have cleared the worst part of the storm. And as of now, no reported injuries. We do have trees down and lots of power outages.
There we are.
But as of now, no reported injuries. So it looks like we are in the clear.
You know, you guys have had some pretty bad storms last week on Friday. Some folks and families were displaced by that.
Here's the tentacles sticking out of his back, sticking out of the back of his head. After all, Majin Kid Buu has this tentacle sticking out of his forehead. After all, cookies are one of the many tasty things in life. He can transform anything into what he pleases.
The biggest threat from the storm there in the town is it's pretty flat land. It's a lot of farmland around there, so it's not like you're going to have a tremendous amount of water that's collecting at heights in mountains or hills or anything and rushing through the city. But you do, again, have a lot of flat land there, so you can have a lot of standing water. What's the biggest problem for you? Is it the wind? Is it the rain? When you go outside and assess what happened as the storm passes by, what do you expect to see?
Really, our biggest concern, we are under a couple of
There we are.
our biggest concern are just our pine trees. Our pine trees are huge. They're all trees, really, but our pine trees are pretty tall. And so that's our biggest concern of how long it's
And done. I don't know why he has that Frieza crystal on his back.
The biggest takeaway is that we just want everybody to know that we're here for them.
And
We put a plan together. We are all corresponding and speaking constantly. And we care about our citizens here. So we wanted to know if they're in danger, we call 911, and we were there for them, and we'll reach out to them.
Peyton, you know, we were worried a little bit we might lose your connection in the minutes before we came to you because, like John said, the storm was literally
and done.
right over you.
There he is. That's how you draw Omega Janembuu. If you're watching this, Unreal Gaming, I hope you create a story for this guy soon. Hopefully you can put it in your Murno and the top 5 strongest battle. That'd be something worth seeing. Anyway, I hope you get this message. This is Master Designer Kyle Friedman Avina, signing off.